Hey, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on TABE 1112. First of all, the length. The reading part, the locator's 45 minutes long allowed. The reading test itself allows 2.5 to 3 hours difference in the different levels, EMD and A. That time does include the practice questions and a 10-minute break between parts 1 and 2. The math locator is about 30 minutes. And the math test itself is 1.5 hours, and that does include the practice questions. You're going to need to do separate test sessions. Each level, E, M, D, and A, has different practice questions and different times for the test. Unless and until something changes, levels E, M, D, and A cannot be given in the same room at the same time under standardized conditions. Now, a DRC spokesman did say that they are working on it, and hopefully they'll get that corrected. You will need to give, this is just an example of what I'm talking about, you will need to give the level E test takers in a separate room at a separate time from all the other levels. You will also need to give the level M in a separate room at a separate time from all the other levels. And you'll need to give level D in a separate room at a separate time from all the other levels. You'll need to give level A in a separate room at a separate time from all other levels. One approach that I've heard some programs are going to take with the new changes is they're going to focus on just giving the math test. It's shorter, and hopefully something will get resolved about giving the different levels in the same room. So stay tuned, get in touch with DRC. Here's my contact information. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Thank you.